Hello students, I hope you are doing well in this crucial time period of corona, and today we are going to read the chapter that is India our motherland. And here I am going to explain the chapter to you with the help of this map that is given in the book. Here you see that the map of India is having, and it is mentioned with the neighboring countries. You see that 7 neighboring countries are mentioned here in India, and these are Afghanistan, Pakistan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Maldives, Nepal also, Bhutan. So these are the countries whose boundaries are connected to the India in this or that way in somehow. And here also these lines are there, and that tells us about the north south extent and also east west extent of India. Like you see here, the north south extent of India is 37 degree 9 north, and if you see at the east west extent, that is 68 degree 7 east extent, that is the easternmost extent of the country. Also we can see the distance, like east to west, it's the area is about 2933 kilometers in the area wise, that is the distance. And if we think about the distance from north to south, that is 3214 kilometer. And also it is situated at the location 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 east on the eastern area, and it is 8 degree 4th north and 37 degree 6 north. You see, whenever we see the globe, there are some lines, and these degrees are measured here on the globe on that particular line. In the western area there is Arabian Sea, eastern Bay of Bengal, and in the south there is Indian Ocean. Means India is a peninsular country. Peninsular country means the area, sorry, the country that is covered with the water from the three sides. So India is a peninsular country. In the western area there is Arabian Sea, eastern area Bay of Bengal, and in the south there is Indian Ocean. So these are the three oceans, and it is covered with the water from the three sides, especially the South Indian areas. These points are the islands that you see the dots here in. These are the islands, and very few part of population live here on these islands. So students, I have explained you the geographical situation of India through the map. I hope you understood well.